Hello friends, welcome back. In this class we are going to discuss about image slider. As I told in previous class that we'll start creating image slider. So this is the first class that we are going to create image slider. So one more thing, we cannot complete the image slider in one or two class. We will just take this continue this till the end. And today is the first class, so this is the JQuery project folder. The first have just look here. Inside this we have just images folder, and inside the image folder we have 6 images. You can see the name is 1 2 3 till 6, and the type of images are JPG. So one more thing, I have just saved as this file by the name of slider. So I have just saved as this file on a separate. You can see this is our file. I have just gone to file menu and save as this file, and the name file is slider. You can see it's here. So from today and from now we are just going to create learn how we can create image slider. So just inside the body, open a div tag, div start, div close. So you can just create here a id or class. I'm just creating id. So you can give any name. I'm just giving group. Yes, group, it's okay. And you can just make this duplicate. This one should be, the name should be name of id, should be any name, for example result. Yes, result can be good. So inside the first div we are just going to insert some more div start and div close. So inside this I'm just going to create a class is equal to, you can give any name. I'm just giving pic. Yes, this class for pic. So inside this we are going to insert image tag, image source equal sign, double quotation, and image close. So inside the image tag also we are going to create a class is equal to, you can give any name like img, a simple name. And here inside this as I told that we have inside JQuery folder we have images folder, and inside the images we have images here. So first you must give the name of folder, images images and backslash, and the name of image is 1, the type is jpg.jpg. So you can just duplicate this. So you can change the name of images 2 3 4, and this number 5, not 4 5, and this number 6. So we have 6 images. Just save this, Control S, go to run menu and launch in Chrome. So you can see we have images here just with very big size, 1 image, 2 image, 3 image, 4 image, 5 image, and 6 image. So these 2 images just looking very small in size, and others are big. So now this is the time that we should use some CSS. For using CSS I've created a separate file. So you can see it's here, style.css. So I have just linked this here, link rel. The type of our file is style sheet, and the address, it means hypertext reference, style.css, as I given the name here. So we will just write our CSS code here. For example, the first thing we have just created a group here, id, and the name of id is a group, and result. And inside the div we have created class. The name of the class is pic, and inside the images we have created another class. The name is img. So at first you need to just come here, insert a hash sign, group group, and open curly braces for group. And the first thing, you must define a width here, something like 250 pixel, or you can just come here. We will just write like this, width 250 pixel, and height should be something like 500 pixel. And you can say background, you can give any background for this, like let's give silver, or no, just gray color. And you can just use here some more thing like float left, and margin you can give margin 10 pixel, margin 10 pixel. Let's check. Control S to save. Now just come here and refresh. So no changes. And yes, this is just about the group. After this, I'm just going to remove this space here. After this, we are going to discuss about a result. Insert a hash sign and result about result, or we have created the second ID and the name is result, and you can give a background for this also. For right now, you are giving a gray background also for this, or you can just cut this. Control X. You can do like this. Control V, and you can come here. You can just give define width or height for this. For example, 500 by 500 pixel. Width, height 500 pixel, and you can use here margin also. Margin like 10 pixel, and you can say float left. So this all just save. Control S, just come here and refresh. So again, there is no changes. Now this is the time that you should go and just work on images. Here inside the images tag, you have a class by name of img. So for class, we are using dot and the name of class img, open curly braces, and the width of images should be something like 100 pixel, and the height should be same 100 pixel, and you can say float left. You can say margin. Here also margin, we are using 10 pixel of margin, and you can use a border also. Border, for example, 2px solid. The color of border should be something like let's check it, black border. Control S and refresh. So you can see this the images, and this just we have defined a result 500 by 500 pixel width and height, and this just the group that we have defined, the width 250 pixel and the height is 500 pixel, and this the images. The just border color is not looking good. If we use instead of black white, Control S and refresh. So this just better. So this okay. So we have done just till here. We have inserted 6 images. We have just resized the images. We have just created a result area here and edge group. So you can see the coding. This is the CSS coding, and you can just do like this. And this is the CSS coding. We have 2 ID, one by name of group and second by name of result, and 1 class for images. So this is the HTML coding. You can see we have created 2 div with ID and 6 div inside the edge group or group div, and we have assigned the name pic, and inside this div we have inserted images. So for this class it is enough. In next class we will come back. We will just take this to advanced level. So till next class, just watch the video, do practice. Have a nice time and see you.